Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wrong Day Life is Art. I'm back with a what I'm hoping is going to be a quick video. I had these chunky keychains and bag charms up on my Etsy, but because the last video was filmed during the evening in artificial lighting, I've had a couple of requests for people saying if I could film it in natural lighting, and plus the details didn't show up as much, so here goes. These are the three that are left. The others have sold. So we'll go for the first one. I've got... It's going to be a bit difficult to film these. One moment. I'll just pop it on that and see what happens. Yeah, that's a bit better. Just clip that over there. They come in 4 sections. Don't know if the light's picking that up or not. And we've got the sun playing up as well quite a bit. So it comes in 4 sections. So you could split it. Technically, you could split it up into 4 keychains as well if you wanted. You've got the key. That's showing up. And then you have this slightly longer beaded chain, and you've got all kinds of beads on there if it's focusing right. It's a mixture of blacks, browns and greens, all with gold, and then you've got that vintagey bronze looking filigree heart at the end. And then you have this long handmade tassel that I did. Feels really nice on your hands as well. So, and then finally there's this small beaded keychain if I can get to it. And that again, that's got your browns, blacks and greens on there. And you've got a little green butterfly cabochon as well, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But all together, there you go, that's one large chunky keychain there that you can use on your journals or on your purse and handbags or anything else that you want. That's the second one. Again, they're all similar. I've got the key again there. Got the small beaded chain with a little cabochon there. Then this tassel is on a bit of a chain as well, and it's a handmade one again, done by myself using some trims. And then this is your longer bead chain, and this one's got blacks, oranges, golds, reds, mixture of the lot. I'd call these the element range as well. So this is your fire one, the other one was earth. And then you have this for your water. I think the white air one, that's the one that's sold along with the other collection that I did. So there's your key again. Your small chain with the cameo style cabochon. If it focuses. And then I did, excuse me, I did glossy accent that because of it being the water theme. And on here you've got silvery greys, whites, different shades of blue beads on these. And that's your tassel again, created with the trim. I hope I'm not off screen. My tablet's placed high up, so I can't really see the screen. But I'm hoping it's focusing correctly. You've got some little glass leaf beads as well. I had quite a time trying to put them on. Lovely little mixture there of all your different beads, and your filigree heart again. So that's all 3 that are left. I hope the people who've been getting in touch with me see this now. I'll add the link onto my Etsy. And if you're not on Etsy and you want to purchase, just send me a message and I'll be happy to take PayPal, and I send signed and tracked to anywhere in the world. Also, if you don't want to keep it as the cluster of the 4, a large chunky one, if you want me to split them up into 4 for you, I'm happy to do that for you as well. I'll remove the keychain and the hook and just add 4 smaller lobster clasps on for you. So that's entirely your choice. Like I said again, you can use them on journals and on your purses and handbags or wherever else you want. I know my daughter was planning on using one for her pencil cases as well, the one that I've created, so entirely up to you. Thanks for viewing, and I hope this video's, the quality on it is a lot better than the last one. Take care. Bye.